Hi everybody, it's 12:23 and 7 seconds on April 26th. This is the drawing for the Ultimate Fallout number 4 graded 9.4. I have to get to a lot of actual work after this, so this might be the last one today. I will try to get one done in the afternoon, but no promises. Okay, so there are the 13 filled spots over here on the left hand side. Let's do our 3 dice. Number is 11. And away we go. It's going to go out in Friday's mail, April 27th's mail. Okay? Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, I don't know why it froze there. 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. Spot 4, Dusty Harris. Congratulations. The time is 12:24 and 12 seconds.